What's up, everybody? It's Andre back again with Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. Happy National Ice Cream Day. So I thought, what better way to celebrate National Ice Cream Day than to do a little taste test. So today I will be taste testing two flavors from an ice cream company called Sweet and Nice. Sweet and Nice is a Canadian company born right here in Ontario. They've got a bunch of flavors like coconut, guava and passion fruit, rum and raisin. These have been sitting in my freezer for 2 weeks and it has been so hot in the last couple of days. I've been dying to do this taste test. All right, so let's go ahead, and this is the mango. Ooh. Oh my gosh. You know, it smells like mango. Are you guys seeing how hot it is today? It's ridiculous. My ice cream is melting and I'm crying. All right, so let's go. It smells like mango. It's so, wow. Ooh, ooh, that is so good. Oh, come on. I don't even care that it's melting. It tastes like you're eating a mango. That's incredible. Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm all about this. Oh, now I'm super excited for the next one now. Okay. All right, next up is the pineapple coconut. I'm definitely excited now for this one for sure. All right. Oh, wow. Yeah, you really smell the coconut. Oh, wow. And there's the pineapple. Yeah, that's, ooh. Okay, that's nice. That is nice. Oh, and it's got the nice little chunks of pineapple in there. It's literally like you're eating pineapple and coconut. You know how sometimes you're eating something and it's like, oh yeah, it's strawberry flavor, and you're like, that's artificial. Like this, oh no, this is wow. Okay guys, that is it for today. If you enjoyed this taste test, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos, just like this one. There's nothing here. I'm so used to saying that, and there's food here. Anyway. Sweet and Nice is at a couple of big name supermarkets like Sobeys and No Frills and Metro, so go and get some today. You won't regret it. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye.